Kaya, kung may kinakarga kang anger, it doesn't just stay in your emotions. It seeps into your bones. It breaks your health. Anger damages the people around you too. It disintegrates community. Because words become weapons, and the wounds they leave may never heal. Proverbs 15:18 says, "A hot-tempered person stirs up conflict, but the one who is patient calms a quarrel." Kung galit ka, masasama ang lumalabas sa atin. You throw out sharp words, sometimes intentionally, sometimes not. But those words, malalim ang sugat. They damage relationships, stir up division, nag-iiwan ng emotional scars na hindi basta-basta mawawala. You can lose a friendship, a family member, or a community in a moment of rage, and no apology can undo all the damage. Hindi lang nakakasakit ang anger. It clouds your own judgment. It disintegrates wisdom. Sinisira ang abilidad to make wise decisions. Sabi sa Proverbs 14:17, "A quick-tempered person does foolish things, and the one who devises evil schemes is hated." Naranasan nyo na bang pagkatapos mong magalit, naisip mo yung mga sinabi mo nung galit ka? Tapos tatanungin mo sarili mo, what was I thinking? Ang sagot, you weren't thinking. Hindi ka nag-iisip. Anger distorts how you see everything. The situation, the other person, and even yourself. Dinadala ka ng galit sa foolishness. Nakakagawa ka ng mga bagay na pagsisisihan mo sa huli. Worst of all, anger doesn't just distort your decision. It trains you to repeat them. It destroys the will. Proverbs 19:19 says, "A hot-tempered person must pay the penalty. Rescue them, and you will have to do it again." Nakaka-addict ang anger. Sa lahat ng emotions, ang anger ay parang addictive substance. It disguises itself. Sasabihin mo, hindi ako galit. Nagpapakatotoo lang ako. Prangka lang ako. Sinasabi ko lang ang totoo. But that's denial. The more anger you carry, the more brokenness it brings.